Hello everyone, in my today's video I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you want to fix the camera problem or if your camera is not working, you can easily do it just by following the few steps as I will show you in my this video tutorial. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can fix the camera issue in your device. Let's watch it.